warning for northeastern McCurtain County and southeastern Oklahoma until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Vanderbilt, or 18 miles southwest of Mena, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plunketville, Watson, Smithville, and Sherwood.